How to access Office5 employee login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access Office5 employee login. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Office5 employee login and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you towards the login page. On the login page, enter your email address, then tap on continue. Then enter your password, then tap on the login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forward password link to reset it and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's it. With this, you have successfully accessed your Office5 employee login. Now you can enjoy various features such as viewing employee feedback, checking team engagement levels, and accessing other valuable insights. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.